In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect Jotform to Zapier. This process is straightforward and will allow you to automate tasks between Jotform and other applications seamlessly. Whether you're a business owner, a project manager, or someone looking to streamline your workflow, this connection can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Jotform's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in jotform.com. If you haven't already, sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can see all the forms that you have created. Next, select the form that you want to connect to Zapier. Click on it and then you'll see the option to edit the form. It's important to make sure that the form you select is the one you want to automate with Zapier. So take a moment to verify that it's the correct one. After you've clicked to edit the form, look towards the top of the page and find the Settings tab. Click on Settings to move to the next step. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your form. But what we're interested in here is the integration options. Now, once you're in the settings, look for the integrations option. This is usually found on the left-hand side menu. Click on integrations to open up a list of all the available services that Jotform can connect with. In the integration section, you'll see a search bar. Type in Zapier to quickly locate the option. Zapier is a powerful tool that connects different apps and automates workflows, and it's essential to make sure you select the correct integration. Once you've found Zapier in the search results, click on it. This will open up a new page that provides more information about the integration and what it can do for you. You'll see a brief overview of how Jotform and Zapier can work together to automate tasks. The final step is to click on Connect to Zapier. This button will guide you through the process of linking your Jotform account with Zapier. You may be prompted to log into your Zapier account if you haven't done so already. Just follow the on-screen instructions and shortly, your Jotform will be successfully connected to Zapier. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've connected Jotform to Zapier. You can now create Zaps, automated workflows, that will help you manage your tasks more efficiently. This connection can automate data transfers, notifications, and much more, making your tasks simpler and quicker. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Happy automating!